When I have started planting some Dischidia into a small basket with some cocoa bush and cocoa pit, so it was very much little vines, and there are some multiple colors. As you can see, this is the very first stage as they are growing a lot, so their color is little bit reddish, and the oldest bud color is dark green. So this is growing faster. As you can see here, some more new vines are coming out there.
In this video I'm going to share some of my experience, what I had while I grow this watermelon Dischidia. So there are like 4 pillars I have followed, like lightning, growth, watering and propagation. And there are some biggest problem I have faced, so that I will be discussing in this video as well. While growing any sort of plant, here I am taking the lightning part as a main pillar. So every time I grow any plant, I do focus more in this part. So for the Dischidia, the lightning is the good one because they don't require any direct sunlight. As you can see, there are some red vines and red leaves are there, so that's a good message, like they don't want to get any further sunlight, so you have to take this one to a shades cool area where the direct sunlight is not falling. For Dischidia, the watering is the second pillar that I have taken. So the Dischidia is a kind of plant which really love moisture and water. You need to give at least once or twice a day. However, it's also an epiphyte, so it's used to grow on the trees and branches above the ground. Sometimes it doesn't require water for 2 to 3 days, as their leaves has some natural powers to survive. But if you are growing this in a home, then you have to take care and you have to water it properly. As with many trailing vines, propagating Dischidia is incredibly easy because it's root at every node. It means you can take any stem cutting that has a viable root node, and it should happily grow when planted in substrate or wrapped in the moss, or you can use definitely cocoa peat or anything that is suitable in your hand. There is only one issue that I have faced, is it is enough to kill your plant in faster way. So that I learned how I saved my Dischidia from dying. The biggest problem is the root rot. So once the root rot start, your plant is hard to keep it alive. So you need to keep watching your plant in a weekly basis, that your root is quite healthy, it's not getting rot, and that will definitely help you to grow your Dischidia a bit faster. So yeah, this is your cocoa peat or your soil media also is a big factor, so you need to take care of.
So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I will really appreciate your like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So see you in next weekend with some new videos. Comment below whatever you want to show or learn from us or get from us. We'll definitely come back to you with some new videos. Thanks for watching.